The timing and amount of colostrum intake is critical for the health of a newborn calf. During the 2020 Ohio Beef Cow-Calf Workshop, Dr. Francis Fluharty explained why a calf must receive adequate colostrum within the first 24 hours of life. Here's that explanation.
Colostrum. I'm going to make this real simple. Calves should consume 1 pint of colostrum for every 20 pounds of calf birth weight. It's even simpler than this. We need to get it in within the first 6 hours. Colostrum contains immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins are a huge molecule. That small intestine on a newborn calf is like a big tunnel during the first 6 hours. Immunoglobulins flow through. By 6 hours, it's closed about 25%, which means that we've got a little bit of a traffic jam, and they're not going through as quick. By 12 hours, it's half the size it was at birth. At 24 hours, it's closed. We need to be checking these, especially first calf heifers that may not take their calf, really closely to make sure that we're getting colostrum into the calves. A lot of the problem with the health of calves from first calf heifers and the growth of calves from first calf heifers has to do with really two things. The fact that we're not supplementing that heifer enough so that she's not mobilizing her own body protein to feed that calf to get it enough DNA in that skeletal muscle. That's number one. And number two, if we're not checking them at least every 6 hours, that calf may have been born and we see it 12 hours later. We go to work at 6 a.m. The heifer gives birth at 6:30. We get home at 6, see that it's not really taking it. We get it in. Problem is that's 12 hours. It's not getting enough colostrum. Glucose is small. A colostrum molecule's 10 times bigger than glucose. And so those channels close up. Because our intestine is our first line of defense against pathogens too. And most pathogens are relatively large molecules. It closes down to allow things like glucose to get through, but not other stuff.